Hi, Kimi. Before I begin, I just want to share that, I think everybody knows that my phone's broken. Just last night, the night before the wedding, that's it, it's gone. So I actually wrote my vow there. I was early, around 5 days before, I was writing my vow. There's no backup. I don't do iCloud. I don't do iCloud. So I prepared this just last night before sleeping. And I guess it's meant to happen. So I can be more present and in the moment on this special day.
Dapat sana hindi mo na ako pumunta. Bakit ka pumunta? Huli ko kasi yung shoes ko eh. Kaya ako ganito ginawa ko. Bakit nagtawa?
Sira eh. Sira talaga eh. Wala tayong cellphone. So, news blackout. Nung bata ako, ang dami kong hiling kay Lord. Sa hirap ng buhay, ang dami nating hiling kay Lord. Gusto kong yumaman. Gusto kong pumuti. Gusto kong maging madali ang buhay para sa akin. Karamihan sa mga hiling ko hindi natupad. Ngayon, gets ko na. Kaya pala marami ang hindi natutupad kasi makikilala kita. Binigay ka sa akin ni Lord para hindi ko na kailangang humiling pa. Kaya kung napapansin mo, tuwing gabi, kapag nagdadasal tayo, puro pasasalamat. Bihira ang hiling. At ang laging ipinagpapasalamat ko ay nagkaroon ako ng isang Kim Molina sa buhay ko.
And he shows his love to me. Oh, he shows his love to me.
12 years ago, year 2014, I entered a building that little did I know would eventually change my life. When I joined Rack of Ages, I thought it'll just be another show I'll do before I leave everything art-related behind and pursue a different path. Buti na lang na-convince ko si Mommy na payagan akong pumunta sa Quezon City. Buti na lang binigay ko ang number ko kay Ate Acel and Mike nung nanood sila ng Ghost the Musical. Buti na lang, tinuloy kong bumaba ng kotse at pumasok sa PETA kahit kabado ako nun. Buti na lang, dahil doon pala sa maliliit na desisyon na yon, makikilala kita.
All these pretty little fools, none of them would ever do. It's you I want. Well, it hurts to see your eyes. Need you so bad, I just might die. It's true.
Hoy, mamamagay yung mata mo! Marvin! Bakit ka pumunta dito? Yung shoes ko kasi. Mamaya ako pa ibibigay surprise na. Surprise na! Surprise na!
Oh, my name.
At sino nga pala ikakasal? Ano meron?
I want you so bad.
Aray ko.
I want you so bad.
Gusto ko, Gerald. Aray ko. Lahat ginagawa ko para sa'yo, ha?
O, magpapasok ka, ha?
Aray ko!
Every time I taste your lips, I'm pretty sure that I am sick, but I like the feeling in this rotten light world. I found something that is good. It leaves me dizzy and reeling. Wild creep.
maganda, siya ang pinupula.
Inay! I want you so bad. I want you so bad.
Buti na lang, binigyan ako ng aking kababata ng phone. Ang galing ni Lord. Thank you, Lord. You're
I
the
want
best.
you so bad. I want 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 you so bad. I want.
Ano ang ultimate dream mo, Tol?
Yon.
Ultimate dream. As in, isipin mo lang sarili mo, ano ultimate dream?
Sabi ni Pepe, nag-cheer siya. Ang ganda ng ginawa ni Pepe. Sabi niya, ano ang hiling mo? Naisip mo ngayong hiling sa sarili mo? Para sa'yo. Isipin mo. Sabi ko, hindi para sa akin eh. Sabi ni Pepe, o sige, kung kahit kanino, sabihin mo, para sa nanay ko. Sabi ko, I want the remaining long years of her life, I want to give her all the best that I can.
Ang ultimate dream ko, maparanas ko kay sa nanay ko yung marangya talaga yun.
Yari.
It's my grandpa. Mommy. My best friend since birth. I'm excited to share more moments with you as I embark on this new journey. And hopefully one day, I become a mother as loving, as cool, as beautiful, and as strong as you. Ganda mo naman ikaw ikakasal.
Maraming salamat pa dahil alam kong mahal mo ako. Hindi man tayo nagkaroon ng maraming oras at pagkakataon para gumawa ng mga memories. Pero sinigurado ko na nandito ka ngayon para ito yung pinakamalaking memory, nag-iisa man na manatili sa ating dalawa.
Daddy, I'll always be here. You will never lose me. You will never lose your baby girl. I love you both so much.
Can I be forever? Can I be forever? Can I be forever? Can I be forever?
Sabi ko kay Kim, alam mo kung masaya ka. Si Kim kasi adorable, minsan sumasayaw na lang ng pagmasaya. Mayroon siyang tinatawag na burst of happiness, sisigaw ng malakas, tapos sasayaw. Pag nakikita ko siyang ganun kasaya, pwede na akong sa isang solo kahit walang kain, nagkakape lang. Okay na ako buong araw.
I'm Gerald. Those were your first words to me nung pinakilala ka nila sa akin bilang love team ko sa rock. Next thing I remember was Naikakay saying, Kimberly, lumayo ka dyan kay Gerald. Buti na lang talaga, hindi ako nakinig sa kanya.
I don't mind if you wanna go anywhere. I'll take you there. We can go if you wanna go anywhere. I'll take you there. We can go to the Chateau Marmont and dance in the hotel room. We can run with the headlights on until we got nothing to lose. We have left hand from the ground. We grow, never coming down. I don't mind if you wanna go anywhere. I'll take you there.
Every day that we've been trying to be your best friend, trying just to figure it out. Caught her in your Converse, living on the outskirts, trying just to figure it
Tolits! Akalain mo yun? Tinawag mo lang akong baby sa group chat ng rock eh. Ngayon, nandito na tayo. Hindi na mananaginip ng gising. Sasamahan ka palagi kahit sabay tumulala sa hangin. Mahal na mahal kita, aking sinta. Hinding-hindi ka na mag-iisa. Forever and always. Heart, heart. Burst of happiness. 1, 2, 3.